Stainless steel mechanical automatic watch fossil has always been inspired by American creativity and ingenuity. Since 1984, we've strived to bring new life into the industry by making quality, fashionable watches and accessories that were both fun and accessible. Transparently Cool Townsman reveals the inner workings of the watch with an innovative see-through dial. Whether dressing for the office or weekend, this timepiece has the mark of distinction. Case size: 44mm, band size: 22mm, automatic mechanical movement with 3-hand analog display. Skeleton dial reveals the intricate, hand-assembled inner workings of the watch. Self-winding, hardened mineral crystal lens resists scratches. Imported gold stainless steel case with a black dial. A black eco-leather band with adjustable buckle closure. Our eco-leather uses a resource-efficient tanning process, interchangeable with 22mm fossil watch straps. Water-resistant to 50 meters. 165 feet. Suitable for short periods of recreational swimming and showering.